Hi guys, what's up guys? So in this video guys, kakaroon pa ako ng mukbang challenge. So I have a friend guys, requested me to make a mukbang here in Saudi Arabia because guys, here in Saudi Arabia, yung lasa po ng mga pagkain po dito, it's something different o even it's the same in the Philippines, same brand, I mean like say KFC like that. So yung lasa po niya dito at saka lasa sa Pilipinas is different like that. So yun po guys, ngayon imumukbang po natin ang ating mga pagkain na we have guys, KFC. Ayan po guys, we have KFC guys. And we have also guys, Albaik. I don't know, let's how to read this one here. Albaik guys, Albaik. And we have also guys, Popeyes. I don't know what I don't know how to pronounce this Popeyes, something like that. So ayun po guys ang aking imumukbang for this video. Hi everyone, so this is it guys, there's a lot of food here in front of me or in front of you guys. We have KFC, we have Albaik, and we have Popeyes. I think it's Popeyes, but I don't know what it's called here. So but this one guys, KFC is for international, like, and you can find this one anywhere, but the taste is different, I think, in the Philippines or in other country, and here I don't know, but it's different, because I already tried in the Philippines and here and the different something. I think there is something different, yeah. And we have also guys Albaik. Guys, Albaik, this one you can find only here in Saudi Arabia. You cannot find this one in the other country, And this is very popular guys here in Saudi Arabia, and there's a lot of people buy for this Albaik. I don't know what recipe for the Albaik have. I don't know why there's a lot of people coming for this Albaik. And we have also guys, this one is called Popeyes. I think there's also in the Philippines. I know how to pronounce this one. Popeyes, I don't know. Popeyes, I know Popeyes or like that. I don't know. So like that. So now let's try guys. We need to try now. We need to try test now the first the KFC. Of course KFC guys. Wow, there's the wings. I love wings guys, because I'm gonna fly after this because all this one are chicken, all are roast chicken. So we need to try the wings, Wow. It's spicy. This is guys spicy guys. Actually guys, in the Philippines, in KFC there is gravy, but here in Saudi Arabia nothing. They will give you only ketchup. It's only ketchup guys. So we're gonna put it. It's good, not bad. It's good guys. Yum yum. And there's also guys French fries, for KFC. We're gonna put also ketchup guys. Yummy. Very yummy guys, super. My god. No rice guys, no rice, okay? Because there's too much, No need for rice. Wow. Wow. Super. Delicious. And there is, I think in the Philippines, this one is Monay. Grabe. Masarap siya, Meron lang siyang pagkakaiba kasi sa Pilipinas nga, sorry, maharap doon, nauba ko sa spice niya. Super, super sarap guys. Masarap siya, masarap. Wow. Ang next one guys, we have this one, the Albaik. You know Albaik. So we need to drink first soft drinks or water. So yung panglasa natin mawawala. I don't know where's my... I have water here. Now let's we need to try also guys the Albaik. Wow. Albaik guys, you can find only this one in Saudi Arabia. Albaik, you know. I like as what I said guys, I like wings, you know. This is the wings. Oh my god. And there is also guys the gravy, there's gravy here for the Albaik. This is special from it's garlic gravy, you know. And there is also guys ketchup if you want. You will mix this one all together for this one. So let's try. Let's mix this one, you know. If this one it's I don't know mix, I will use to mix this one the french fries for Albaik. Try this. Oh my god. Wow. Delicious guys, super delicious. Now I know why there's a lot of people, you know, coming to Albaik just to buy for this broast, this kind of chicken, you know, broast. Because wow, wow is wow guys, promise. Wow. Then we're gonna try this one guys here in the garlic sauce. Wow, it's more wow. Guys, if you are here in Saudi Arabia guys, please try to eat this kinds of food Albaik. Delicious. Wow. Yeah, super. Wow. Panalo, super. Panalo guys. For this one guys, for this one also, because you know I already tried in the Philippines, and here it's good also, but for me it's more good in the Philippines because there is a gravy, you know. Here is nothing, you will give only ketchup. But there is included also guys the what is this salad, you know. There is salad guys, there's salad. Try this. Maybe this one, the combination of this one. So we'll try. We'll try only, okay? Try natin yung ang balat. The skin. This one eh. With salad. Yeah, it's good. The salad with this one, combination, wow. Good. It's yummy. Super yummy guys. Now we will try again guys, this one, the other one, you know. We need to drink all the water. Now let's try guys this one. This one, yes! Can you see this one? Have you seen this one? Yeah, this one. Wow. Wings again because after this I'm gonna fly. To try this one, guys. This included, guys. There is I don't know what is this. There's sauce for this one, guys, and ah, it's garlic also, guys. Garlic sauce also for this one. There's a garlic sauce, and there is more spicy ketchup, guys. There is, and there's also the ordinary ketchup. Also, this one have included, and included also. It's look like a bibingka, you know, in the Philippines. Something bibingka. There's included, and wow, you know the French fries is different from these two. Because this one is almost the same, and this one with there is something like that, you know. How you say, there is a like pepper, a lot of pamintang drog. Oh, good. Yeah. Now let's try this one, guys. The wings again, yeah, because I love wings so much. I told them spicy. I think it's spicy. Yeah. Not bad. I think we need to try this one with garlic sauce. Yeah. Wow. Wow. So if you need to eat for this one, guys, you need to with garlic. You know, with the garlic. Wow. As in wow, 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 delicious. Because when I eat only with this one, yeah, it's good also, it's delicious. But when you already combination with this one, with the garlic, guys, mmm, yummy, yummy, wow, mmm, wow, mmm. And with the French fries, you know, right? Wow. Mm. Wow. Delicious. I like the French fries, guys. Wow. Mm. 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 Wow. Panalo. Ang sarap. Mm. We try this one, guys, the bibingka. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, nice. If you can see, guys, there is no rice here, you know, because here in Saudi Arabia, guys, when you buy this one like KFC, Albaik, and like this one, no rice here, just only Mona, you know. It's called Mona, you know, and only Mona with a French fries. This is the combination only of chicken here. When I was new only here in Saudi Arabia before, you know, I tried to order in the restaurant in the KFC. I said I want chicken with the rice like that, and they said no, there's no rice here. It's so funny. No rice. If you are first timer only, guys, here in Saudi Arabia, no, cool. Hanapin nyo, guys, yung rice kasi nasanay tayo sa Pilipinas, diba? Once we are going to buy KFC or like this one, it's always included the rice. So here, rice, no, we don't have rice here. Only French fries and monai, as I said, monai. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any suggestion or recommendation for the vlog, gagawin ko po yan guys. Ayan po, just comment below. And kung bago ka lang sa akin channels guys, please don't forget to share, subscribe. Ayan, thank you. Annyeong sayo.